Okay, I think sourpuss, let's see, what do we have left? We only have 4 minutes. I think we don't have to land, but like sourpuss would be my favorite with a very like grumpy tone. But I want to talk really briefly about, I guess this would work more with Vinny if you were like, this is vinegar for the people, or if you wanted to introduce it to like a younger generation who wasn't comfortable with like, if we're trying to encourage people to like make their own dressings or like experiment with cooking right out of college. If Vinny was in a spray bottle, like I'm just trying to think of like if Graza took it out of like the aluminum tin and the tinted glass are like what experts say olive oil should be in. And they were like, I don't care. We're making it in a squeeze bottle because people squeeze it. It'll be easier. It'll be cooler. It'll be more distinct. Do we, instead of out of a dropper, are we making it, and then is it called spritz, which like, or Vinny, I think I could see Vinny in a small spritzy, or I guess it could spritz like this, but I keep picturing like a literal,
I picture it like
small,
a Febreze, like a bathroom spray,
like that would catch attention.
Okay, hold on. I think there's you said something. Okay, go ahead.
Well, really quick, sourpuss, because when the cats are bad, you spray them with
you
water.
Do. Hold on, that works too. Put a pin in that.
Sorry, go.
With Vinny, you said something that like vinegar for the people, vinegar for the everyman. Like that is an interesting. Not that like vinegar is elevated, but I do think that to me this is like just like a very biased perspective. But like vinegar and oil to me is like the most beautiful, just simple salad, and it feels like simple elegance, simple quality, whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm deranged, and I'm Italian, so I'm biased. But anyway, I like there is something about like almost like instead of like dumping ranch on your salad like a caveman or a Neanderthal, like it's almost like this. We're like
it's like there'd be campaigns of like nature already made you the best salad dressing, which then I think a little could go into the undressing of it, of like, or Puritan, where you're like, you don't need, I think that's a pretty dangerous place to be given the current climate of things.
Yeah,
of
well,
like,
you
let's
just
go back to the 1700s. Like, we don't need to do that.
Yeah, you really wouldn't want it to get co-opted by the wrong people or the wrong interpretation.
But now that you say vinegar and oil and like that they clash, there's something interesting there. I mean, obviously we're just making vinegar, but I think a spray bottle, I'm trying to think of, I don't know what else
Hold on.
could be.
Lyndsay, is there any, vinegar and oil are like, not nemesis, like nemesis, partner in crime, common enemy.
Yeah.
Like, is there anything in that world about like you're forced to work together against your better judgment, like that idea? Like what's emblematic of that?
Because I guess in almost all ways, you are going to combine some, for sure for dressings, you're going to combine an oil with it. But like in recipes, like, is there a thing of like, could we make it be like moonlight? Like something of it's like, it's so good it could stand on its own. So like, I don't need that. Or like, what's it called when someone breaks off from the like dissenter? Like that's wrong. But like Yoko.
What is Harry Styles? Like a solo act or
yeah. That's what I was thinking of, like moonlighting, but not moonlighting, of like
like, you know how we like the name of those sisters, their favorite daughter is the name of their brand.
Oh yeah. Aaron and
like
the
better
Fosters.
like the Foster sisters. I want to say something like not better brother, because that's like a right but like better man or better, like something implying like we are the better of the dressing like without having to say it, right? It's just like there's something a common enemy, or like but also like what's like olive oil isn't as good without vinegar. Let's just pretend that that's the narrative. And it's like you're calling it like the ringer, or like what's a thing that you bring in that's gonna like the dark horse, the ringer, the
pinch hitters. Isn't that a baseball thing?
Yeah, like something you bring in to like succeed or like achieve victory, like something that makes it better. Like this is our secret weapon, or
I'm also thinking of like understudy, yada yada yada, but like I think soloist is could be a cool name. Let me see what synonyms for pinch hitter: substitute, understudy, stand-in. I know what you're saying though. You're saying like the like we're going to bring in the heat, ringer, sort of.
Like a ringer, like a
Oh no, the timer's off. Let's do 5 more minutes.
No. Maybe I'm not even using ringer.
Yeah, correctly. I guess that's not coming up.
A dead ringer, a ringer. Yeah, why am I thinking of it as like you bring it in, you tag it in with
like ace up your sleeve.
Yeah, like that idea. Maybe I'm not
that person.
So the Han Solo, if you will. Dark horse. Dark horse is a
Dark
fun.
horse is nice.
That's a fun. Especially it's like
we have been trying to make horse happen. Remember, workhorse. Show pony. Show pony. We could use show pony for this to just be like it's the good
name.
Yeah, show pony would be fun.
Hold on. I have another idea that maybe is like the Puritan idea without so much of that puritanical language or visuals, or is even like. So vinegar has a really, really, really long shelf life. It almost like doesn't go bad depending on the kind. I mean, of course, I'm sure there's nuance there, but like, is there something with like eternal forever, like something that's like emblematic of like living forever?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah. Eternal. Yeah.
Eternal. Like I don't, none of those names are sexy to me, but like,
I know I was thinking about like the barrel aged, and barrel is not sexy.
And timeless, immortal is like the kind of the most meaty or interesting name of those like synonyms, right? Oh, yeah. Deathless is that's like.
Are you saying list or LESS?
Deathless, like LESS.
Oh yeah. Like
tough off
cool
the tongue,
way to say eternal. Yeah.
Oh my God! Over here we're getting facts in the comments. Vinegar lasts longer than plutonium. Holy!
You're saying I got to throw my plutonium out? I haven't checked that label.
You haven't checked it. Well, you should check it. Check that in your fire extinguishers and your smoke alarms.
Folks, this has been your friendly PSA. Don't worry about your vinegars. Check your plutonium, your fire extinguishers.
Perennial. That's like it comes back every year.
It could be really floral and stuff. Yeah.
Perennial.
Okay, we got to go into mascots.